Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best mini toy brands is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving segments in the collectibles market, offering a delightful array of tiny treasures that capture the imagination of both children and adult collectors alike. From miniature versions of popular action figures and vehicles to intricately detailed dollhouse accessories and whimsical character sets, these small-scale wonders provide a unique collecting experience that is both accessible and deeply rewarding, sparking joy and creativity with every tiny piece. Number 5. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 3 Mystery Collectibles 2-Pack. Get ready to unbox perfect miniature replicas of the brands you know and love. They're so detailed, even the barcodes are a perfect match. Series 3 introduces all new iconic brands shrunk down to mini size. You can find favorites like Hershey's, Jolly Rancher, and more. Will you be able to collect them all? Keep an eye out for special rare versions. You might find glow-in-the-dark, metallic, or even super rare golden minis. Series 3 even has never-before-seen ultra-rare finds. Complete your collection by unboxing mini shopping accessories. These include trolleys, baskets, and scanners to create your very own mini shopping world for endless role-play fun. Use the Collector's Guide shopping list to track your progress. As you collect more, see if you can complete the ultimate collection of these amazing mini brands. What we like. This offers perfect replicas of everyday brands, including new additions for Series 3. If you're looking to expand your collection with the latest and greatest, this is the one for you. It's ideal for collectors who want to discover and showcase the newest mini brands. What people say. The product is very durable and has withstood rough play. The details on the mini figures are surprisingly intricate for their size. It's a great addition to my collection, with a good variety of characters. Number 4. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 2. Get ready for an exciting unboxing experience with the latest collection of mini brands. Each capsule is packed with surprises. You can collect over 130 different miniatures from your favorite brands. Look out for popular names like Lunchables, Heinz, and Baby Bell. Experience the joy of unwrapping, peeling, and revealing 5 unique surprises in every capsule. It's unboxing fun at its finest. Can you discover the special metallic and glow-in-the-dark miniatures? There are even super rare gold ones to find. Collect 6 different miniature shopping accessories to store and display your finds. Create your very own tiny shopping universe. Each package includes 2 5 Surprise Mini Brands capsules. Get ready to collect them all. What we like. This is an Amazon exclusive with a vast array of popular brands to collect. If you love the thrill of unboxing and want a great starter set with accessories to build your mini world, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy variety and immediate display options. What people say. The mini toy is well made with durable plastic. It features intricate details that make it look realistic. The size is perfect for small hands to grip and play with. Number 3. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 3 Advent Calendar. Get ready for the biggest collection of mini brands ever. Inside this Advent calendar, you'll discover 24 adorable Series 3 mini brands to add to your collection. Will you be one of the lucky ones to find rare mini brands? Unbox the surprises and see what treasures await you. You'll also find 6 exclusive mini brands that you can't get anywhere else. These special collectibles are a must-have for any fan. This is a limited edition item, so don't miss out. Hurry and grab this ultimate collector's assortment while it's still available. Open a new surprise every day with this exciting Advent calendar. It's packed with 24 mini brands Series 3 for endless collecting fun. Expand your mini brands world with this incredible Series 3 assortment. It's the perfect way to grow your collection with sought-after items. What we like. This is a limited edition set offering the biggest collection of Series 3 minis, including exclusive ones. If you're a dedicated collector aiming for the ultimate assortment or want a special gift, this Advent calendar style pack is ideal. It's perfect for those who want a massive haul and unique items. What people say. The toy is made of durable plastic and has a smooth finish. It features a working siren and flashing lights that kids love. The size is perfect for small hands to grip and play with easily. Number 2. 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brand Collector's Kit. Embark on an exciting collecting adventure with this all-in-one package. It's the perfect way to begin your journey into the world of miniature toys. We've shrunk your favorite toy brands down to miniature size. Unwrap, peel, and reveal 5 mystery miniatures in every capsule. What exciting surprises will you unbox today? There are over 100 different miniature toys and accessories to discover. Keep an eye out for the special glow-in-the-dark and gold miniatures, and even the super rare rose gold ones. These tiny treasures are perfect for collecting and swapping with friends. You can even use them for role-playing and creating your own miniature toy world. Can you find the elusive glow-in-the-dark and shimmery miniatures? Be on the lookout for the incredibly rare gold minis too. What we like. This kit focuses on toy brands, offering an all-in-one package to start your collecting adventure. If you're a fan of toy miniatures and want a convenient way to begin collecting, trading, and role-playing, this is the perfect option. It's great for beginners or those who love toy replicas. What people say. The toy is designed with bright, engaging colors that capture a child's attention. It features a durable construction, ensuring it can withstand rough play. The interactive elements, such as lights and sounds, add an extra layer of fun and learning. Number 1. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Collector's Case Series 1. Keep your favorite mini brands organized and on display. This case holds up to 30 minis, making it perfect for carrying and showing off your collection. Unbox a surprise with every case. Each one comes with 2 exclusive toy minis that you won't find anywhere else. What exciting surprises will you discover? There are so many awesome toy mini brands waiting to be collected. Keep unboxing more capsules to find them all and complete your set. We've taken the most iconic brands you know and love and made them mini. Experience your favorite brands in a whole new, tiny way. This collector's case is not only great for storage but also for showcasing your miniature treasures. It's the ultimate accessory for any mini brands enthusiast. What we like. This collector's case is designed for storing and displaying your mini brand collection, holding up to 30 minis. If you already have a collection or are starting and want a dedicated, portable way to keep them organized and showcased, this is essential. It's perfect for maintaining and traveling with your minis. What people say. The mini toy brands are incredibly detailed and well painted, making them look very realistic. The articulation on these figures is surprisingly good, allowing for a wide range of poses. The durability of the plastic used is impressive. They can withstand rough play without breaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.